Okay, and we're all good, I think. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm doing pretty good. I am going to just use up the leftover paint from my last video. Okay, so which I have the deco art. You know what? I can take this down. Vivid Violet, Blue Harbor, Calypso Blue, and this Laguna went excellent with these colors. So, okay, so we get started. I am doing that jar that I got, and it had just a little tiny nick here. I got this at Goodwill for like 50 cents at half price day. And it came with this little bird, glass bird for the top. So I don't know what I'll use it for. I mean, I could put oil in it, my olive oil, or I don't know what I'll use it for. But I'll find something. So the thing with this one is I won't be able to turn it on my turntable because I couldn't think of a way to prop this one up besides like this. Then I can just leave the room and let it dry. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to take some of this paint from the bottom here, and I am going to save some of it on some parchment paper. I don't do jewelry, but I've thought about it. And I never save my skins, but you know what? These colors are so pretty. I'm going to save them. And I guess I just do what everybody else does. Let's lay it down. Right? Could use them for those rocks too. There, I saved some my first time. Alright, so let's get pouring on this. This should be a quick one because I can't turn it around to look at it. I mean, I'm gonna, I have to smear some paint on it first. And you know what? I can use this because this is all clean. So that's what I'm doing right now, is I am getting it wet so that it slips good. You know, so it doesn't stick. And there we go. The problem is, how am I going to check it? I don't know how I'm going to do this one, but we'll see. Alright, so I'm going to use the same cup. A little white, just like I did before. A little vivid purple or violet. Laguna. Blue Harbor. And Calypso Blue. And that should do it. Then just a little bit of white on top. And I'm going to take my stick and just kind of do a little swirl in my cup, okay? Just did a slight little swirl. Alright, so this got a big divot hole in the middle and the top, so I'm going to soak that up at the end, but this is the best I can think of doing. Now, is it getting down on the bottom? That's the question. Yeah, I can't turn this one. Looks awful bright in the light. It's going down now. Let's see behind there. Yeah, it looks like it is. That's pretty. So that's it with this video. Yeah, it went in the back. Alright, so then what I'm going to do is, because I don't want this thick up here, just very lightly damp some of it up. That's going to be pretty. There. Spread it around evenly. Oh, jeez. One time I have a video, and it's actually still on my videos. You could look for it. I was pouring over little miniature bottles. Excuse me. And it tipped over. And it was so funny. It like fumbled in my hands, and it was just like big blooper video. But I kept it on there because it was so funny. And that, oh gosh. It looks good. I'm thinking it's good. I'm just going to add a little more color in here. That's all. There. I can't see the back. I can see the other sides, and they look good. So, alright. That's it for this video. It's a quickie. But, yeah, I'll take a picture of it. There, turn off the lights so you can maybe see it. The colors in it. Well, that's going to be pretty. Okay, guys, take it easy. I'll let you see this when it's dry and glossed, okay? Bye-bye. Well, thanks for watching.